Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to be immortal? Well, everybody wants. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. You might have heard or seen videos about it. But do you know what is the secret of this jellyfish? Why this is immortal? Can we unveil the secret of its immortality? Let's find out today. Turritopsis dohrnii, aka immortal jellyfish, is a small, transparent jellyfish native to the Mediterranean Sea and the waters of Japan. But what makes this creature truly remarkable is its unique ability to revert its cells to their earliest form and grow anew, or in simple world, it can become young again. Let us know about some basic life cycle of a jellyfish. First, let's break it down. The life cycle of most jellyfish species involves a free-swimming medusa stage and a polyp stage. The medusa is the adult stage, and the polyp is the stage when the jellyfish is attached to the seafloor. But when the medusa of Turritopsis dohrnii is physically damaged or experiences stresses such as starvation, instead of dying, it shrinks in on itself, reabsorbing its tentacles and losing the ability to swim. It then settles on the seafloor as a blob-like cyst. Over the next 24-36 hours, this blob develops into a new polyp through a process called transdifferentiation. This process reprograms a cell or simply converts a cell from one type to another. It can be triggered by 4 reasons. 1. Chemical. 2. Small molecules. 3. Transcription factors. 4. Environmental changes. This process reprograms the medusa's specialized cells to become specialized polyp cells, allowing the jellyfish to regrow themselves in an entirely different body plan to the free-swimming jellyfish they had recently been. They can then mature again from there as normal, producing new, genetically identical medusae. This life cycle reversal can be repeated, and in perfect conditions it may be that these jellyfish would never die of old age. However, it's important to note that while Turritopsis dohrnii is capable of cycling from a mature adult stage to an immature polyp stage, it does not make them invincible. They can still die from disease or predation. So, there you have it, the fascinating life of the immortal jellyfish. While we humans are still far from unlocking the secrets of immortality, creatures like Turritopsis dohrnii provide a fascinating glimpse into how nature has tackled this challenge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting science content. Until next time.